In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your domains in Hostinger. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and head to the main dashboard. This is the central area where you can manage different parts of your hosting account, including websites, billing, and domains. If you are already signed in, you should be able to see the main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Domains. This section is where Hostinger keeps all of your domain-related tools and information in one place. Once you open it, you'll see different options connected to domain management. Next, click on Domain Portfolio. This is the page that shows the domains connected to your account. Think of it as your domain list, where you can quickly review what domain names you currently own or manage through Hostinger. If you have one or more domains in your account, they should appear here, and this makes it easy to confirm what is active and available under your profile. If the domain portfolio page is empty, that simply means there are no domains currently in your Hostinger account. In other words, you have not purchased, transferred, or connected a domain there yet. This is useful to know, especially if you are trying to confirm whether a domain was successfully added to the account. When checking this page, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct Hostinger account, especially if you have used more than one email address in the past. Sometimes people expect to see a domain, but the portfolio appears empty because they are logged into a different account than the one used when the domain was registered. If your list is visible, you can use this area as a quick reference whenever you need to verify your domains. It's one of the simplest ways to confirm whether your domain is present in Hostinger without needing to search through other settings. So, to recap, open the Hostinger dashboard, click Domains from the menu on the left, and then select Domain Portfolio. If the page shows your domains, that means they're in your account. If it's empty, that means you don't currently have a domain there yet. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.